What's up, TikTok? I actually leased this Kia Sorento, the same trim, for many years with the same engine. This had intake manifold runner control issues. And Caleb has the intake manifold off. This is number 2 intake manifold off today. But this one's getting replaced because the intake manifold runners are all part of the intake manifold, and I don't like to go in and service anything that's old, even if these parts were available. I just don't like to do it. Grab that, Caleb. So what happens is sometimes these doors stick, and then sometimes the arms break, and then sometimes the motorization goes bad, and then sometimes the VSVs go bad. But I'm going to show you how the new intake manifold comes loaded. So new vacuum lines, obviously new doors, new vacuum actuators, new vacuum VSVs, all new gaskets, new electric servo and motor assembly. So it really doesn't pay to try and fix anything that's plastic anymore. It's just not worth the time. Comes with a new map sensor too? No, so it does not come with a new map sensor. Sweet. Thanks for watching.